Hello friends, what you're going to do is you just simply make the wings of this butterfly, and after doing that you can place them on the sheet like this. After placing them on the sheet, see how they will look and how these flowers will add a beauty to this scenery. Now take another sheet and note the movement at how it is to be pasted on a white surface. Make this, and after making them you can simply add these for giving them a perfect and beautiful look. Take these green sheets and start making this. Now take these strips and start rolling them and make a tadpole or a frog like this with a happy face that is being placed on his seat. See how beautiful and how cute he looks. First, draw these lines over the circular sheet. After doing so, start making these leaves, and then you can simply paste them in the form of a sparrow. See how these sparrows and clouds are made. Take another sheet, and after doing that, this apple is to be made with the help of leaves that are drawn like this, and yes, a snail that has eaten this apple. Well, this snail looks very happy. Take a circular sheet and start rolling it in the manner as being shown. Paste them on the white sheet and then make the tendrils out of it. Now these flowers with their unique beauty look very great along with the petals over there. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.